Oh my God. Wow! We are just a couple of months away from the launch of the Galaxy S24 series, and the anticipation is palpable. Samsung enthusiasts are eagerly waiting to see what changes the tech giant brings this time around. Leaked renders of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra have already surfaced, creating a buzz in the tech community. Recently, real-life pictures of the Galaxy S24 Ultra have emerged, and these images seem to validate any doubts about how the phone looks. A daring user somehow managed to get their hands on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and upon close inspection, it doesn't appear to be a dummy unit but an actual phone. However, there's always a possibility of misinformation, and the source of these images is new, adding an element of uncertainty. Notably, a well-known Samsung tipster, Ice Universe, has stepped in to confirm the authenticity of these pictures. This lends credibility to the images, making it reasonable to believe that these could be the first accurate glimpses of what the phone will actually look like. One of the most noticeable changes in the leaked images is the nearly flat display. The glass panel has a subtle curve on the side edges, possibly from the 2.5D curved glass, but it is not as dramatically curved as seen on previous Ultra devices. The images also reveal a boxy side frame, emphasizing sharp edges even more than previous Ultra models, creating the impression that the back glass is set within a protective frame. Another interesting detail is the S Pen noticeably sticking out from the phone's frame in the leaked live images. The extent of the protrusion is likely due to this being a pre-production unit, and a smoother finish can be expected on the final retail units. However, it's crucial to approach these leaked images with a bit of skepticism. They could be inaccurate, fake, or represent just one of many colors, materials, finishes, and design prototype units that might not actually be released. Nevertheless, the images closely align with the information circulating about the Galaxy S24, making them one of the best looks at it so far. In conclusion, while these leaked images offer an intriguing preview, it's essential to remember that the final product may vary. The tech community eagerly awaits the official launch to get a comprehensive understanding of the Galaxy S24 series. Share your thoughts on these leaks in the comment section and stay tuned for more updates. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.